Today, we're diving into setting up Microsoft as a social login option for your BuddyBoss platform and app. Social login simplifies the user experience, making it easy for your community to sign in using their favorite platforms. I'll guide you through the process step by step to get everything configured and running smoothly. Let's jump right in. To start, head over to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to BuddyBoss plugin, Settings, General, Registration, and enable the social login feature. Once activated, locate the Microsoft Social Login option and click the pencil icon to open the configuration pop-up. Keep this window open, as we'll need to copy and paste some information later. Now let's create an app on Microsoft. Go to the Microsoft Azure portal at portal.azure.com and log in using your Microsoft account. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to create one. Once you're in, click on Microsoft Entra ID under Azure Services, or use the search bar here at the top. You might encounter some error prompts here. Just ignore them. Click this Add drop-down, select App Registration. Enter a name for your app, and choose the supported account types, depending on what you need for your site. If your site is for internal use only, you'll want to choose the first option. But if this is for your community site, you'll want to choose the second or third option to allow anyone to sign in, whether they're using a business or personal Microsoft account. To learn more about supported account types, I'll link an article from Microsoft to help you choose the right option. For the redirect URI, select Web from the drop-down, then copy the URI from the pop-up we viewed earlier. Look for the line labelled Callback URI/redirect URL. Once done, click Register. Copy the application client ID and save it somewhere. We'll need it later. Now we need to generate a client secret. From the left sidebar, click the Manage drop-down and select Certificates and Secrets. Click New Client Secret. Add a short description so you know what this client secret key is for. Then select an expiration date from the drop-down. For this tutorial, I'll select the maximum allowed time, then click Add. Copy the value field and save it somewhere. Now, let's configure the Microsoft Social Login. Paste your application ID and client secret. Keep in mind that the client secret has an expiration date. Once it expires, you'll need to generate a new one and update it here. For the audience, select the same account type we set earlier. Lastly, set the authorization prompt you want for your users. For now, I'll set it to Display Account Select Modal. Click Save Changes to update the settings. A pop-up may appear prompting you to log in with Microsoft and authorize the app. Simply follow the prompts to complete the process. Now that the setup is verified, enable the Microsoft Social Login checkbox and click Save Settings. If the checkbox remains grayed out, click the pencil icon again and select Verify Settings to finalize the setup. For the BuddyBoss app customers, navigate to BuddyBoss app, build and request a new build. This ensures that all recent changes are fully implemented and reflected in your app. And there you have it. You've successfully set up Microsoft as a social login option for your BuddyBoss site and app. This feature makes it easier for users to connect and engage with your platform. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, and subscribe for more BuddyBoss tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.